is a giveaway running on my channel, and if you like you can take part because there are so many amazing gifts to win. Provide the link in the description bar or at the top right corner of the screen. फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ब्यूटी इनफाइनाइट एंड अ वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू। वैसे मैं अभी कुछ ही देर में उठी हूँ और आप देख सकते हैं मेरे फेस पे अभी कितना सारा ऑयल है। और ये जो ऑयल है इसमें आप कुछ भी फ्राई कर सकते हैं, जैसे फ़िश फ्राई, गोभी फ्राई, आलू फ्राई, पकोड़ा तल सकते हैं इसमें। क्योंकि मेरा मुंह से 2-2.5 किलो ऑयल तो ऐसे ही निकलता आता होगा। जब भी समर आता है ये एक ठो रोज़ का प्रॉब्लम है। बट एनी हूँ, मेरा बहुत बकवास हो चुका है। तो आज जो है मैं पूरा डे ब्लॉग करने वाली हूँ। लास्ट ये पूरा वीक मैं ब्लॉग किया, आज भी मैं ब्लॉग करूँगी क्योंकि मैं सोची हूँ, मैं बहुत दिन हो गया है कि आई एम नॉट पोस्टिंग एनी ब्लॉग्स फॉर यू गाइस एंड आई नो हाउ मच यू गाइस लव माई ब्लॉग्स। सो आई थॉट कि दिस वीक आई विल ब्लॉग और इस हफ्ता मैं शायद बहुत कुछ करने वाली हूँ। आप लोग बताइए आप लोग कैसे हैं। वैसे तो मैं आप लोगों से रोज़ ही बात करती हूँ जब मेरे वीडियो के थ्रू, पर मुझे ऐसे ब्लॉग में बात करना ज़्यादा पसंद है क्योंकि मुझे लगता है इस तरह से अगर मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनफॉर्मल तरीके से बात कर रही हूँ, जिसमें आई फील मोर क्लोज टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू गाइस एंड इट मेक्स मी रियली फील गुड। एंड आप लोग बताइए कि आपका आज का दिन का क्या प्लान क्या है। पूरा हफ्ते में कुछ खास प्लान है जो आप करना चाहते हैं, जो आप किए हो मेरे साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें और हाँ व्लॉग को एंजॉय करें। एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस सून इन अ बिट। राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर माई स्विमिंग क्लासेस and I colored my hair yesterday. I hope you can see it, but I really like the way the color came up. I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So I feel really fresh today and I'm going for my swimming classes. I feel exceptionally happy whenever I go for my swimming because yeah, water and pool make me really happy. I am a completely water baby in terms of that. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Good morning, by the way. Swimming class is over and as you can see my hair is like completely drenched and stuff. So now I'm gonna go home and sleep. I'm totally gonna crash in my bed because I'm super tired today. After that I had my breakfast and I went to sleep. उसके बाद मैं उठी, मैंने ब्रश किया, फ्रेश हुआ, फिर से दोबारा आई जस्ट हैड माई लंच एंड स्टफ। अभी मैं सोची हूँ मेरे रूम को जो है थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज़ करूँ क्योंकि मेरे रूम का हालत बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा होके रखा है। इतना ज़्यादा गंदा होके रखा है कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती क्योंकि जब भी मैं इवेंट में जाती हूँ, कोई भी ऐसा कुछ भी प्रोग्राम होता है तो मैं इतना सारा कपड़ा एक साथ निकाल लेती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे समझ में नहीं आता मैं क्या पहनूँ और एंड मोमेंट तक मुझे सच में पता नहीं चलता मैं क्या पहनूँ। मुझे प्लीज़ बताइएगा अगर आप लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा होता है कि आप लोग भी पूरा कंफ्यूज होते हो कि आप लोगों को क्या पहनना है कि नहीं, कोई भी इवेंट या किसी चीज़ में जाना है तो। मेरा तो इवेंट बोलो, कोई फेस्टिवल बोलो, ओकेशन बोलो, हर चीज़ का एक ही सेम स्टोरी है, सेम ओल्ड स्टोरी। मेरा पूरा रूम का कबाड़ा हो जाता है क्योंकि मैं सब चीज़ फैला के रख देती हूँ और कल तो मेरा हिम्मत ही नहीं हुआ कुछ भी ठीक करने का और मेरा रूम जो है ना पूरा का पूरा केओस है। फ़िलहाल जो है आप मेरे रूम का हालत देख सकते हैं, क्या अजीब सा हालत हो गया मेरे रूम का। जस्ट लुक एट दिस कॉर्नर। दिस plastic bag has all new clothes which I've shopped for Pehla Baisakh from Big Bazaar and I did not get the time and I don't have the space to put them, so I literally kept the bag outside. यहाँ पर मेरे सारे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स पड़े हुए हैं कि अब से मुझे क्लीन करना है एंड आई एम गोइंग ऑल सुपर लेज़ी। तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर देखिए और भी कपड़ा पड़ा हुआ। इट्स अ कंप्लीट मेस एंड आई जस्ट शो यू ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस रैक। जस्ट look at the condition of my room. Everything is messed up and I think I'm just getting super crazy because of all this mess. I have like a mother, father, or grandmother or grandfather of mess out here. I don't know, but anyway, somewhere I have to start. I've decided that I'm gonna start off with the अलमीरा because मेरे अलमीरा में एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस क्रंच है. सब जगह पर बहुत ज़्यादा स्टफ़ी तरीके से सामान रखा हुआ है. ये वाला जो मेकअप वाला जो रैक है उसको मैं छू नहीं सकती बिकॉज दैट इज़ स्ट्रिक्टली फॉर मेकअप एंड उसमें मेकअप ही रहेगा. और पर हाँ, ये वाला तो जो रैक है उसको मैं ऑर्गेनाइज़ करूँगी. मोस्टली द बैग्स प्रोबेबली आई एम गोना जस्ट मूव द बैग्स टू द अदर अलमी. देखते हैं कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं, आप लोग देखते रहिए. शायद यहाँ से कुछ टी शर्ट्स वगैरह भी मूव कर दूँ. लेट्स सी. आई एम टोटली कंफ्यूज राइट नाउ. आई थिंक थिंग्स आर गोना वर्क आउट बिकॉज देयर इज आई जस्ट डोंट नो. Take you through my almirah after organizing. So on the right hand side I'm keeping all these tops which I keep hanging, and I just organize them on the basis of my sleeves. The longer sleeves are at the back, the shorter goes in the front, and at the exact front there are only sleeveless. On the left side I have 3 stacks. As you can see, on the top I kept all my crop tops or tank tops or reso back tops, anything which are small or short. And here on the left hand side I have a huge stack of tunics, and on the right hand side I have some dresses. This is the area where I keep some of my makeup products. You guys already know, and I'm not going through that because I'm just showing you the area where I've organized. So this is the area where I keep all my underneaths, that is my skirts, pants, trousers, blah blah blah, everything. Now on the left hand side this stack consists of all the pants which are not trouser or not jeans, not regular pants like 3/4, shorts, palazzos, then cargos. This stack I have all my skirts from the top. These are all my skirts, and these are all my jeans. Each and every pair of jeans I have is in this stack. And this stack I have all my trousers. I have quite a big amount of trousers because I wear a lot of trousers for my work since I'm not allowed to wear jeans every day. So yes, these are all my trousers and chinos. All my Eastern wear. These are the areas where I keep all my good anarkalis, my salwar suits, because they are really heavy. So I keep them in plastic bag. In that way they stays well. This is the stack in which I keep some of the short salwar suit, except the lower one. This green one is an anarkali. Inside I have my daily wear kurtis, and finally on this side I have all my shirts. I keep some of my shirts at the back. They're like at the back you can see there are more shirts out there. As you can see, I keep some of them which I do not wear a lot, but this is all the shirts which I wear mostly, so I keep them here. Inside I keep some of my clutches, or on the right hand side door I keep some of my brown bags. As you can see, I have like 2 of my sling bags, 1 French bag, and 1 big bag. And this is one of my favorite bag. This is from Baxi Melon. I love this because of the tan color. On the left hand side door I have this organizer where I keep some of my earrings, not all because I keep my earring in separate container, but some of the stuff I keep out here, some bracelets, some random earrings and stuff. It comes out really handy. On to the other almirah. On the left hand side here I keep all my belts, and in this big plastic bag I keep all my leggings. All my leggings, ankle leggings, normal leggings, everything are out here. I keep a hat on top. These are all my t-shirts. I shifted the t-shirts from that almirah to this one because I grab t-shirts on daily basis, so they tend to create a mess. So I kept them separately out here, and there is a huge stack down underneath. And here I have more t-shirts, and this is a jewelry bag. I keep on some of my jewelry necklaces in this one. On the right hand side I keep some scarves. These are some of the scarf. I do not wear a lot of scarf. I have some of my big bags out here. A clutch, this is a clutch, and some of my big bags are out here. I moved all the bags from that almirah to this one, and all my shoes are there, and even the bottom below I have more shoes, daily wear shoes, normal big sneakers. Just shifted all my hoodies because I'm not going to wear a hoodie in this season. This is just another jewelry box. I keep my eye in there, and yeah, there are some more sweaters and more hoodies. Yeah, on the right hand side in this hook I keep my shrugs because I wear them. I could grab them anytime. So I decided to have my dinner. So for dinner I'm having aloo ki sabji and roti, 2.5 roti and achar and pyaj. I really love this combination. This is really one of my favorite combination. So I'll be having this because I thought I'm feeling hungry. So on Tuesday I went to Lake Mall Big Bazaar with my father because I need to shop few things. So my father took me, and the Lake Mall Big Bazaar is located in Lake Market area of Kolkata, which is in the south of Kolkata, and this is a mall, and this mall is really big. As you can see, there are so many stores and brands which are available out here, so you can definitely visit here in case you want to buy cards or clothes or jewelry or makeup. And there is also a multiplex at the top of the mall which is called Cinepolis. So yes, it's a nice place to visit. And as you can see, my father is waiting there in front of Big Bazaar for me while I was vlogging. That is really sweet of him to be so patient. After I returned, I prepared this amazing pyajis, and I love pyaji or pyaj pakoda. I have already shared a recipe of how to prepare this. So if you want, I will link the video in the description bar. If you like, you can check out the recipe, that how you can prepare it easily at home.
हाय, तो आज हम लोग फिर से आए हैं, कहाँ पता है, मैं लगता है आ जाती हूँ खाना खाने के लिए यहाँ पे।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जिया देखो कितना प्यारी लग रही है।
और हम लोग क्या करने वाले जी अभी? खाना खाने वाले।
हमेशा मैं खाना खाने का टाइम ऐसे ही शूट करती हूँ, लेकिन आज हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ प्लान किए।
प्लान।
हाँ, अभी तक फॉर्मूलेट नहीं हुआ है।
या नहीं, वो दूसरा बात है।
हाँ, लेकिन होगा, आई थिंक हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है। आज हम लोग करेंगे। सुंदर ही लग रही है मेरी माँ।
और क्या, चलो खाते अभी।
Really do not know what he is up to. I think he is looking for some skincare. Yes, definitely my genie is looking for some skincare treatment. Oh my god. Yeah, he's back to his own self and he's all into cuddling. Actually, he's doing these things because I'm wearing my jeans. And he do not like whenever I wear jeans because he knows that I will just go out. You can see that's why he's just asking me to change my jeans and wear my home shorts. Just look at him, all puppy eyes, being so cute and naughty. See, when I did not do it, he started just biting my jeans and trying to pull it off. I left home and I'm on my cab right now and I'm going towards Mix, and I'm super excited because I'm hoping to meet some of the YouTubers today because I have not met them for quite a long time. I did get ready. I'm wearing a really casual dress because I feel it's 100 degrees outside, super hot. I mean, practically people could boil outside like egg. So yes, that's why I'm just wearing something really simple, and this is what my makeup looks like. I'm just wearing that stamp eyeliner because I feel it looks really chic with simple makeup. I did pop in an eyelash, but I'm wearing mostly orange color like coral blush and orange lipstick because I feel it's summery and it's cool and it's look cute. And yeah, I'm gonna meet you guys after some time there, and I hope you guys are excited as well. वैसे आज पूरा दिन का सबसे फालतू चीज़ यही है कि ज्योति मेरे साथ नहीं है क्योंकि वो कुछ फैमिली के रीज़न से व्यस्त है, जिसके वजह से शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू accompany me, and I am missing her like hell because this is the first time I'm attending an event without her. Practically I'm screaming next to her ears, you can imagine. Yes, क्योंकि अब ज्योति तुम सुन रही हो तो समझ लो मैं चिल्ला रही हूँ अभी and miss कर रही हूँ तुम्हें, तो don't want to go to another event without you, so please you make sure you are with me next time. So anyway, मैं और ज़्यादा बड़बड़ाऊँगी नहीं, तो मैं आप लोगों से मिलती हूँ कुछ देर के बाद जब मैं मिक्स में पहुँचती हूँ. Guys, so look who is with me.
I am Rishita. Hi.
Yeah, and she is looking so pretty. And guys, we are already in Mix and the event is going on. We just gave an exam which reminded us of 10th standard, and after with lots of cheating we successfully gave the exam, so we took a break and we came to toilet. toilet and have fun. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We will take you inside in a bit. Bye.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go.
अपना नाम तो बताओ,
हाय पूर्णिमा
चैनल का नाम भी बताओ।
नोटिफिकेशन
अरे बोलो सब्सक्राइब करने लोगों को।
प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल इट्स अ क्राफ्ट चैनल प्लीज डू चेक आउट
यार
हेलो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल स्वीटी बावरिया
Okay, I have a YouTube channel and it's about beauty and please subscribe to my channel.
Hi, this is Lakshmi from Glamand and I have a beauty channel, so please subscribe on that. Hi, I'm Shinjini. I'm from the Bong Bong. Subscribe to me and also subscribe to her if you haven't yet.
Thank you so much. Please subscribe to all of them. They're really amazing. देखो इनका प्यारा सा बेटा कितना क्यूट एकदम आप सबसे मिलाना चाहती थी, बहुत ही क्यूट। देखो हंस रहा है और वो भी आप सबको बोल रहा है आइए देखो और मम्मी का चैनल में सब्सक्राइब करो और आंटी का चैनल में भी सब्सक्राइब करना। हेलो, और बहुत जल्दी बेटा जी भी अपना चैनल लाएंगे
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
We are at the mix जो उल्टा तरीके से लिखा हुआ है
क्योंकि हम लोग फ्रंट कैमरा से
and we had quite a good amount of snacks. We are now full. We did had a good time, right?
yes
We did have a good time, but yes, Ritika was missing, so we missed her, and Jyoti as well as I missed her. But other than that, I think we met a lot of nice and amazing bloggers, and it was a really amazing experience because we get to learn a lot of things. Rest of it I'm going to discuss at home because you will be not able to hear a lot what I'm saying. So of course, but I hope you guys enjoy this. Do give love to all of the YouTubers you met, and I'm going to see you soon in a bit. Take care.
Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go.
So finally I'm back from the YouTube event and it has been an amazing day, and yes, I met so many new bloggers and I felt few new bloggers visited this event whom I did not met before personally, and I was so happy to meet them because you know it feels amazing when you meet people from the same interest because you have a lot of things to talk about. Exactly, that's what makes द थिंग मोर अमेजिंग। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा। अगर आपको ये ब्लॉग और वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप। Please do subscribe to my channel guys because that will really mean a lot to me and it will actually help me to take my work forward. And yes, I will see you guys soon on another video or a vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.